Good morning. I'm a faraway here. I really love the apartment we live in, and we've sort of got everything sorted. And I even have my own space, which is here to the left of the lounge, and it is a rather lovely space. Only, I don't know, just the whole time that I've been here, it's never really felt mine. I know I've got a bit of clutter here. This is just things that pushed out of the way, so I hate that, because that makes me a storage place. And then, of course, I have my desk and everything here, but it's all open and, yeah, not quite how I want it. Anyway, I'm in the throes also of deciding whether I buy a new computer from the desk or whether I do a laptop. Now, I have an iPad, which is easy, but even if I take it away, just doing my videos and that makes it really awkward. Doesn't always work, and not with what I want to do. And then of course I sit here and I look out the window, which distracts me. Whereas if I was to have a laptop, I would be able to sit anywhere, including at the dining room table. Well, you know, like, it doesn't matter, our dining room and lounge, we have open living, so everything's all together. So I could sit here while hubby's watching TV, and I could take it with me. I could even sit up in bed and use it, or I can sit outside. So there's lots of pros and cons, because I really, if I'm going to invest now, the age I've got, I want to invest for a long period of time. So you see, it's transition time, and it's my pension is due shortly, and that isn't going to make me a rich woman, believe me. But we're just in a different phase of our life, and anything we replace now, we're going to replace for the long term. Because once you start eating away at your savings, you're not going to replenish them because you don't earn to top up your savings account. The only thing is to try not to spend your monthly income. So that's really the thing that's keeping me occupied at the moment, and I think that's why I'm so distracted. So yeah, I just got to get on with it. Well, hello there, Oma Faraway here. And look, a green wall. And you're used to seeing something totally different when I'm doing my little editing video bits. There's a bit of a red wall behind me here too, a bit spotty, needs looking at, needs a few things. We've taken everything out of the room, and I am creating my own woman cave. It's going to look so different, and it's one of the reasons why I've been kind of in between jobs, doing this and doing that and the other. Slowly but surely, my woman cave is taking shape. Well, it's going to happen. The wallpaper. I really love the apartment we live in, and we've sort of got everything sorted. And I even have my own space, which is here to the left of the lounge, and it is a rather lovely space. Yes, and it really is a lovely space. And it now looks like this. My very own, really lovely, spacious, light, bright and comfortable woman cave. So from now on, my background will be either that or that or that. I will certainly enjoy sitting here editing my videos, looking at videos, writing up some of the things that I got stored, little stories that I've got, and making photo albums and doing all that sort of thing, and just sitting on my couch with a good book and relaxing. So I'll be able to look at the view, drink my coffee, use the windowsill as a table, and really enjoy the space that we've created here. So this is my room, and I'm really grateful for it.